What are you doing? Tell me, just say it.
Why won't you point at it?
Turn it. Give it some gas. Give it some gas. This one. Now turn it. There you go, buddy. Keep turning it this way.
You want me to go to the dock?
What?
You want me to drive this all the way to the dock?
No, I don't think it'll stay in connection. What do you think?
Wait, it's not connection now.
No connection? Are you serious?
Yeah.
Okay,
See?
wait. No, it's got connection. Here. Turn it. No, forward. There you go, buddy. Keep turning. 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 Okay, quit turning. Here it comes. Streaming back. No turning.
Dad, it's...
Here, you want me to do it? Look, you're doing a good job, Bubba.
Wait, where's the boat?
There he is. Here he comes.
This is
Here he comes. The ship's aground on the shore of this. Oh, you can hear the battery dying.
Bring him back. They're not right there. You have to go and get him if he's crashing.
There he is.
2 minutes. It's almost
Let's
out.
leave him there for a second.
It's like people are fishing off of it. Then like a monster wave comes by.
Look at, he's handling the waves pretty good now, huh?
Yeah. It's almost out of time.
It doesn't like going that one direction.
Which direction?
Okay, we're going to take him into the weeds.
No.
Oh, no! Did he just get... Oh, no.
What?
Did he just get jammed up?
Yeah. You get him.
Oh, come on.
What's this? 3 minutes.
You're kidding me.
3. It's higher than 2.
He's stuck.
You get him.
Wait, hold.
Okay, this is why my dad's so stupid of not running it at the big waves.
You kidding me?
They look so far.
I think he's stuck in the weeds.
You have to get him. God, this is 4 minutes! This is 4. Gosh.
Oh my God.
You have to go and get him. Okay, now I'll show you
We have to get him with the boat.
I'll show you where you are on the cabin. Come on,
The skiff. We're going to have to get him with the skiff.
Which boat? The one where you can see turn? Oh. Whoa!
Come on. It's definitely stuck.
But yeah, is this what? Is this what? That's all we have today.